Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Isn't this hair absolutely beautiful? If you want to achieve this look, and let me tell you, it's not glued. Look at this. Look at this. If you want the tutorial on how to achieve this, just keep on watching.
Yeah, but that she just dance and tease. You go like the Highland breeze. You know where you want.
Alright, so this amazing hair is from Asteria Hair, so shout out to them for sponsoring this video. And yes, you guys, I'm looking crazy. You see the tan line between where I put my lace and my hair and everything. My hair is thin, but anyways, this video is about this wig, so don't mind my hair. So they gave me some goodies in the bag. They gave me a wig cap, some lashes, and some edge brushes and everything. And now I'm just taking out the hair, and I'm just amazed that the hair is so soft and so long. I'm loving it. This is true to size. I think this is 24 inches, either 24 or 26. I will put the details down below, but this hair is long. I'm loving it. So I'm showing you guys inside the hair now. So this is the lace. As you can see, there's two combs on the side to secure it if you want. There's one at the bottom, and there's also one in the middle. And now I'm going to show you guys the lace. Okay, so this, you can really see this is a nice HD wig, because you can barely see, you know, the difference between my hand and the lace. But yeah, I'm gonna put it on for you guys now. So I'm putting on my wig cap first, and I'm going to put on the wig. So putting it on, I'm loving it already because I see how long it is, and I'm also checking out the hairline, and I'm really liking the fact that the knots are so small, basically non-existent. So you already know that means I don't have to bleach the knots, and I'm so happy about that. So I'm looking at it to see if I want to do a side part, if I want to do a middle part, and I think I'm going to do a middle part. But you guys, you can do a side part if you want to. It's really easy to do that. Just shift the hair. And now I'm just gonna show you guys the length of it. Well, I'm gonna attempt to. I know it's blurry, but basically it reaches down my back, and I'm 5'6", so I'm fairly tall, and that's where it reaches. And this hair is 180 density, and it's a bit thinner than I would want, but it's perfect for it to look just natural, because no one really has like thick hair like that. So now I'm going to make sure that the lace blends in with my skin tone, and I take my Fenty bronzer and I take a flat brush and I just put it all over the lace, focusing on the hairline. Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. And you will see, now that I put it back on, you can't even see the lace. Like, where is the lace? And I'm putting a before and after for you guys. This is really crucial of a step if you want the lace to really blend in with your scalp, okay? So it could look like it's coming from your scalp. And now I'm going to take my hot comb, and I'm just going to customize it. It's kind of poofy at the top, but don't worry, the hot comb will do everything. And I'm taking my wax stick to protect the hair from any heat damage, and I'm just putting it all over where I will be putting the hot comb. And honestly, you guys, if you're a beginner, I don't suggest that you use the hot comb on your head like this. I highly recommend you guys to take a mannequin head and do this step on the mannequin head instead. I usually do it on the mannequin head, but I was in a rush, so yeah, I just did it on my head. And I didn't do it this fast, by the way. This is just a speed up version of this video. But yeah, like, definitely if you're going to do this, which I don't recommend, then take your time so you don't burn yourself.
You stay, 'cause baby, I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby, I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight.
I'm definitely loving the results right now. And what I'm going to do is cut the lace, and you guys have seen me cut lace before. If you're new here, then what I do is I always cut the lace in an up and down motion, which I will show you guys right now. I never cut it just straight down, because then for some reason it's really hard to just blend it with your scalp if you do that. So just try to do it like in an up and down motion like this.
Oh, baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right.
And now I'm putting it on my head, and it looks good, but you see that wig cap, it's not working out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the wig cap, and it'll look so much better. So I have the option of actually, you know, making the wig cap my skin color. So what I would do is the same bronzer that I had put on the lace, I would put it on the wig cap, but I don't have time for that right now, so I'm just gonna take it off. And when I take it off, it looks just so much better and so much more natural, you guys. Look at this.
Give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good love. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go.
And now I'm just trying to figure out exactly how I'm going to style it, so I'm just going to be playing around with it. You guys, always just play around with the hair, see what style looks better for you, what style you want. And yeah, I'm just trying to see if I want it, you know, brushed back or brushed down to the side like this, and both look really good. So it's really up to you guys.
Show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you try to fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good love. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that.
Alright, and you guys know my golden rule when it comes to closures. If you want it to look like a frontal, and if you want it to look so nice and natural, then do baby hairs, okay? You don't have to go crazy with it, but I always do baby hairs when it comes to closures.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop.
Alright, and when I cut that section to lay it down, I use mousse. You can use any kind of mousse you have. And yeah, I just lay it down on there, and then I'm going to brush it back like I would for regular baby hairs.
To the light. If I don't get you, shawty, you bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that.
And when I finish laying this, you guys, just take in how natural the hairline looks. It looks so good. Look at that. And it's pre-plucked. I didn't pluck it. So yeah, and then I'm going to do the same thing as for the other side, for the baby hairs.
Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good love. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, cause baby, I love you.
Alright guys, so basically this is the final look right here. I'm just going to comb it down a bit and place where I want it to be. And this is just easy, you guys. It doesn't take long at all to do your hair. You don't have to, I mean, if you want to, you can, but you don't have to pay so much money to get your hair laid, okay? You guys realize that I did not glue this, and it looks amazing. It looks like it's coming out from my scalp. and it's not glued at all. I'm loving this look so much, and this hair is just really good. Shout out to Asteria Hair for sending this hair. The one thing I will say is that this is 180 density, and if you want it thicker, then I suggest you go for a higher density, but naturally it's going to be a little bit more thin just because it's very, very long hair. And right now I'm trying to check for shedding, and you guys saw, like, well, there's just one hair right there, but I opened up this bag with you guys, so this is really out of the bag. So this is a real review from, you know, the exact hair. I am loving this, and can you tell I'm feeling myself? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below.
Show me that you're the one.